Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to allow the installation of beta versions on the Telegram app for PC. This is especially useful if you like trying out the newest features before they officially roll out to everyone else. Beta versions give you early access to updates, improvements, and tools that Telegram is currently testing, so let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can follow along without any issues. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the side menu. From here, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on it to open your settings page. Inside Settings, you'll see various categories. The one we need is called Advanced. Go ahead and click on Advanced so we can reach the update options. Now scroll down to the section labeled Version and Updates. This is where all the important options for app updates are located. The first thing you want to do is make sure that Update Automatically is enabled. Turning this on ensures that Telegram always stays up to date without you having to manually download new versions. Once that's turned on, you'll notice another option right below it called Install Beta Versions. This is the feature that allows your Telegram app to download and install beta updates as soon as they're released. Go ahead and enable that option as well. That's it. You've now successfully allowed your Telegram app on PC to install beta versions. From now on, whenever Telegram releases a beta update, your app will be among the first to get it. Keep in mind that beta versions can sometimes have small bugs or unfinished features, but they also give you a sneak peek into what's coming next. So, if you enjoy exploring new tools and don't mind a few rough edges, this setting is perfect for you. And there you have it, quick, simple, and very handy. Now your Telegram app is ready to explore the latest updates before everyone else.